Also, we did some archaeological excavations, so we were continuing work on this archaeological trial trench that we just saw on the slide. And we compared this data with the data that we got from the augurs. Of course, in addition of this exchange, we did not learn only about the geochemical analysis and soil studies, but we had the possibility to know some of our colleagues that work in different institutes and universities. So we got to compare how we do things, how we excavate, how we study, how we work. And of course, this gave us a good network and good connections for our future collaborations. Of course, it was also a cultural exchange for us because we were coming from different countries, and which got also enhanced with the time period that we are now, because it was Eurovision time period. So it was a wonderful exchange, and I'm sure that this knowledge will help us in our future work.